Today I'm going to show you how to make these travel shoe bags without sewing, so let's get started. For this DIY, you'll need a tube of speedsew fabric glue, fabric, I'm using this 100% cotton, ribbon or string, either fabric scissors or rotary cutter, pins, and a ruler. So start with your fabric folded in half with the folded edge on the bottom. Place the widest shoe you have on the fabric, leaving about ½ inch to 1 inch of fabric on the sides and 2 to 3 inches on the top. Cut out your 2 shoe bags, and for reference, I'm size 7, and my measurements are 9.5 inches wide by 13 inches tall. Once you have your 2 cutouts, grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Fold open one of your shoe bags and start applying a line of speedsew 2 to 3 inches down from the top on both sides. Once that is done, fold the fabric back over and lightly apply pressure where you glued and pin it to stay in place. And if you get some glue on your table while doing this, don't worry. Speedsew easily comes off hard surfaces with some friction. Now grab one piece of your ribbon or string and lay it 1 to 2 inches down from the top edge. Start applying a line of glue along the top, then fold the edge over, ensuring to not get any glue on the ribbon, and apply pressure. And make sure to run your fingers in between the fabric to ensure no glue has seeped through. Once the glue is dry, remove the pins and flip the bag over and repeat the same steps on the other side. After you're done gluing, you can place a piece of cardboard in between the fabric while it dries to ensure the 2 sides won't stick together. After laying both bags dry for about 20 to 30 minutes, you can turn them right side out. Make sure to poke out the corners and knot both ends of the ribbon or string together. And just like that, you created travel shoe bags without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!